Hi everyone, so I want to take you on a little flight around the Plage du Veillon. This is not far from Le Littoral and Sables d'Olonne, and as mentioned in previous videos, you can get the free shuttle bus in July and August from the Sandaia campsite to this beautiful beach, so enjoy everyone.
To the sea, maybe I never say fall into the light. Every time I try to breathe, but you're right and carry me. But I've loved and I have died. So I won't hold back, and you should know that was never good, just have regrets. So I won't go back, oh, when I got me to forget the time I lost, and no regrets. Moonshine back again. So I won't hold back, and you should know that was never gone, just have regrets. So I won't go back, oh, when I got me to forget the time I lost, won't let me forget.
So that's it everyone, I hope you enjoyed this flight around this beach. Please remember to check out my other uploads from this beach, and if you're new here, subscribe to the channel, that would be awesome. Plenty more content coming from this area. Thank you and goodbye.